Well, we had Steve to do a number for us as we came on the show this evening. Did it in his real fine style and in his real deep voice, his bass voice. And he's got another number for us, and I'm sure he's going to really live it up on this one, too. I think you're going to enjoy this one. He's going to be singing about a girlfriend.
It ain't my girlfriend.
Yeah, it is.
George, I told you 1,000 times.
Tell me again. Here's his girlfriend right now. He's going to call Sanctuary. One called Ruby. Oh, you bet it's man.